A top focus at the South 3 Central Reserve Police Force personnel died while 15 others have been injured after a vehicle carrying CRPF personnel met with an accident near Kandwa in the Basantgarh area of Jammu and Kashmir's Udhampur district. Now, additional SP Udhampur Sandeep Bhatt said that 3 CRPF personnel unfortunately died and 12 others have been injured in the accident. He also added that after receiving the information, the police rushed to the spot and initiated a rescue operation. Now, all those who have been injured have been shifted to the nearby hospital for treatment. As per sources, the vehicle skidded off the road and fell into a deep gorge. Now, in the case, Union Minister of State for Science and Technology, Jitendra Singh, spoke to Deputy Commissioner DC Saloni Rai, who is also monitoring the situation on the ground. Unfortunate incident coming to light from Jammu and Kashmir. 15 have been injured. Meanwhile, 3 CRPF personnel have died. Now, I'm also being joined by my colleague Ankit Bhatt on this story. Ankit Bhatt, clearly a very unfortunate incident coming to light from Jammu and Kashmir. Walk us through the details. How is the condition of those who've been injured in the accident?
The injured has been shifted to the hospital. It's a tragic road accident in Udhampur, Basantgarh area, where reports of 2 CRPF men have been died. 12 to 15 CRPF men have been injured. Right now, the DC of Udhampur and administration is monitoring the situation. Swift police response has during this accident, and total 2 CRPF men has been lost their life due to this accident.
Can you help us understand how did the accident unfold? Is it due to the weather conditions or something else at this point? We'll try to, I think there's some audio glitch with my colleague here. We'll try to get Ankit Bhatt back with more details, but this is the story we're covering for you at this moment. 3 CRPF personnel have died, about 15 others have been injured in this tragic accident that's coming to light now. Now what we're getting to understand is that as per the sources, it was a vehicle that skidded away from the road and fell into a deep gorge. Now in the case, Union Minister of State for Science and Technology, Jitendra Singh, he's spoken to the Deputy Commissioner, DC Saloni Rai, who's monitoring the situation on the ground. Remember, all those who have been injured in the accident, they've been taken to the nearby hospital. And a rescue operation was initiated at the spot immediately. This is the story we're covering for you viewers at this moment. A very unfortunate incident coming to light from Jammu and Kashmir. 3 Central Reserve Police Force personnel died in an accident. Meanwhile, 15 others have been injured. My colleague Ankit Bhatt continues to stay with us. Ankit, क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं कि ये एक्सीडेंट कैसे हुआ? क्या वेदर कंडीशंस की वजह से एक्सीडेंट हुआ या कोई और वजह थी?
देखिए, ये बसंतगढ़ का इलाका है उधमपुर जिले का, जहां पर ये एक्सीडेंट हुआ है। हालांकि अभी प्राथमिक जांच जो है वो होनी बाकी है, क्योंकि जितने जवान इस गाड़ी में सवार थे, 2 जवानों की डेथ बताई जा रही है। 12 से 16 ऐसे जवान हैं जो इंजर्ड बताए जा रहे हैं। तो शुरुआती जांच में क्या कुछ निकल के सामने आएगा ये देखना होगा, लेकिन एक बड़ा एक्सीडेंट जो है वो उधमपुर के बसंतगढ़ इलाके में हुआ है। वहीं डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह, उसके साथ साथ जम्मू कश्मीर के उपराज्यपाल मनोज सिन्हा पूरे तरीके से जो यहाँ पर ऑपरेशन हो रहा है, इन लोगों को रेस्क्यू करने का, इन जवानों को रेस्क्यू करने का, उसको पूरी तरीके से मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं। और खुद जम्मू MOS PMO डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह जो है वो उधमपुर DC के टच में है। उन्होंने खुद ट्वीट कर ये जानकारी दी है। लेकिन इन सब के बीच काफी दुखद घटना जो है वो बसंतगढ़
जी अंकित भट्ट, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें देने के लिए।